This time, the mysterious disappearance phenomenon seen by astronauts. I want to send you an urban legend. The mysterious disappearance seen by astronauts is... This is an interesting theme related to space exploration and the experiences of astronauts. This phenomenon includes mysterious events encountered by astronauts in space. Sometimes it includes events that remain unexplained. There is no scientific explanation for these phenomena, although it is seen. Sometimes it remains unsolved, and elements of fiction and urban legend are intertwined. First, let's talk about specific cases reported as mysterious disappearance phenomena and scientific explanation for it, and phenomena associated with astronaut stories. The impact of such reports, and we would like to take a look at its importance in future space exploration. Report of mysterious disappearance encountered by astronauts. Experiences during the Apollo program. The Apollo program. In NASA's lunar exploration project from the 1960s to the 1970s, many astronauts participated. Among the courageous Apollo astronauts, there are reports of mysterious disappearances during the mission. For example, Buzz, who was on the crew of Apollo 11, Aldrin was... It reports seeing a glowing object during its round trip to the moon. According to him, as this object targets their own spacecraft, I saw it, but it quickly disappeared. This phenomenon is often associated with UFOs. It is widely speculated and theorized that astronauts might have been witnesses to a certain kind of inexplicable cosmic phenomenon. NASA later explained that this intriguing glowing object was likely a part of the spacecraft's hardware. Specifically, the widely accepted perspective is that a segment of the rocket detached from the spacecraft and reflected sunlight. Despite that, some people see this as evidence of alien surveillance and the existence of mysterious technology, anomalies at IS, International Space Station. Astronauts residing on the International Space Station. Occasional reports of mysterious phenomena. The IS orbits about 400 kilometers above the Earth. We observe the vast space of the universe every day. The astronauts. You may encounter various cosmic phenomena that cannot be confirmed from the ground. Occasionally, objects suddenly vanished. There are reports of light points disappearing. Many of these phenomena, it may be due to natural phenomena or technical malfunctions. For example, flashing light generated when milk products enter the atmosphere and burn up. Phenomena involving plasma in Earth's magnetosphere. Even satellites and space junk can reflect sunlight and shine brightly for a moment. But there are things that cannot be elucidated by these explanations. In that case, will be passed down as a mysterious disappearance phenomenon. Scientific explanations and hypotheses. In order to scientifically explain the mysterious disappearance, must understand the space environment and technical aspects of space exploration. Now, we will explain the scientific elements that may be related to this phenomenon. Distortion of spatial recognition. In the space environment, different gravity and visual conditions exist, unlike those on Earth. In weightlessness or microgravity settings, the velocity and paths objects take differ significantly from ground-based expectations. Moreover, since there is no atmosphere in outer space, it is more prone to phenomena where objects appear to disappear or appear. For example, if an astronaut lets go of small tools and parts while working outside the spacecraft, sometimes it becomes invisible soon. This is because the tool disappears from the pilot's view at a constant speed. Also, the reflection or refraction of light can cause objects to appear and disappear for a moment. These phenomena are visual illusions in outer space. It is often explained by physical phenomena in space unaffected by gravity. Effects of cosmic radiation. There is powerful radiation in outer space. This can affect astronaut vision and crisis. Cosmic radiation affects astronauts' retinas. Shit. It can cause flashes of light or phenomena where invisible things can be seen. This is radiation from the eyes. It is produced to directly affect cells. It is considered a relatively common experience among astronauts. This phenomenon of light flickering This is a unique cosmic phenomenon not seen on Earth. After something came into view for a moment, it can lead to an experience that disappears quickly. This phenomenon is much reported, especially during long-duration space flights. Part of the disappearance phenomenon may be attributed to such visual effects. Plasma and electromagnetic phenomena. In outer space, plasma and electromagnetic activities often arise due to the solar wind and Earth's magnetic influence. These phenomena are generated when high-energy particles collide with the Earth's magnetosphere or atmosphere. It can be observed as an optical phenomenon such as the aurora. In addition, abnormal radiation of electromagnetic waves and rapid generation of plasma by disappearance. In the eyes of astronauts, it may appear as mysterious light emission or the disappearance of objects. These phenomena are, especially for astronauts operating outside the Earth's magnetosphere, can occur in a completely unpredictable way because they often disappear instantaneously. It has the characteristic that it is difficult to keep records. For this reason, some phenomena are mysterious, will be classified as a nature. Concrete case. Next, some actual reported cases are presented. Consider the different interpretations of those phenomena. Lost Earth. The year 1969. Apollo 10 astronaut Thomas Stafford reported that the Earth seemed to disappear for a moment. He said that the Earth was suddenly darkened. There was a moment when I felt like I had disappeared. This phenomenon is the moon comes between the sun and the Earth. This is thought to be caused by a solar eclipse. In space, eclipses can be observed much more clearly than on the ground. A sudden change in light can be felt as the disappearance of an object. Strange lights on the Mir space station. The year 1991. Astronauts aboard the Soviet Union's Mir space station. Strange light beyond the universe? I observed. This light, after appearing for a moment, he disappeared immediately because it was moving differently from ordinary stars and satellites. Garnered a great deal of interest among the crew. They argued about the true nature of light. I didn't come to a conclusion regarding this phenomenon, such as the reflection of meteors and satellite debris passing through the Earth's atmosphere. Several natural phenomena were conceived. It was reported as a mysterious disappearance due to lack of clear evidence, especially the vastness of the universe. In space, lights and objects often disappear visually in an instant. It is often seen as a puzzling quality in the eyes of astronauts. Instantaneous object disappearance at ISS, International Space Station in recent years. Even as astronauts occasionally report the sudden and perplexing disappearance of various objects. For example, when observing the Earth from the IS, points of light suddenly disappear. Points of unknown light that appear for a moment and disappear quickly have been reported. Many of these phenomena are, it is thought to be caused by meteors and orbits of satellites passing through the Earth's atmosphere, especially in outer space. The reflection and refraction of light are difficult to predict by the angle at which sunlight hits an object. Suddenly an object glows. It often loses its light and becomes invisible in the next moment. This is one of the cases reported as an instantaneous disappearance phenomenon, IV, effect of unexplained decrease. The mysterious disappearance phenomenon, rarely documented within the realm of space exploration. Every time these phenomena are reported, it sparks debate among scientists and the general public. Such reports are, in addition to promoting new technologies and scientific knowledge in space exploration, it can also be fiction or conspiracy theory. Unexplained events such as mysterious disappearance phenomena in outer space capture the imagination. Increased interest in unknown territory, vinegar. That these phenomena are elucidated may lead to advances in science and technology. At the same time, with the mystery remaining, our continuous exploration of the cosmos will further intensify. 5. Conclusion. The mysterious disappearance phenomenon observed by astronauts it is a series of interesting phenomena related to space exploration and human experience in space. These phenomena include reflection of light, optical illusions, meteors and space junk, or there are numerous scientific explanations, such as the impact of cosmic radiation, but not all events are distinctly understood. There are many things that still remain mysteries. Scientific exploration always aims at new discoveries and clarifications, but in the vast and unknown space of the universe, there remain phenomena that are beyond prediction. As research on this mysterious disappearance progresses, our understanding of the universe deepens. You can expect new discoveries to come. At the same time, the astronauts' experiences, it will also inspire fiction and urban legend. and will continue to provide mystery and romance in future space exploration. How did you like it? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.